Hey everyone! Today we are checking out the Kalinta 18-inch reusable epoxy round resin mold. This high-density material is much more durable than silicone and works for hundreds of unique pores. Its solid construction ensures that your large projects will never deform during the long curing process. The detachable design makes demolding effortless, and you get a rubber hammer for extra professional help. You can craft stunning resin clocks, custom serving trays, or massive floral preservation pieces with ease. Every unit arrives fully assembled, so you just seal the edges with caulk before pouring resin. Simply tighten the screws to reinstall it, and use mold release spray to keep it perfect. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.